Hello CMH friends, I'm Ramona Williams here at Children's Museum Houston. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to turn a soda or a water bottle into a flower pot. So I'm glad you're here. Let's get into it. So here are the supplies we'll need for this activity. A potted plant, a 2-liter bottle, it could be water bottle, soda bottle, doesn't matter, tape, spray paint, as well as 2 different color Sharpies. Actually, you can use one, but I'm going to use this one to decorate and use this one to mark my lines, and scissors. First thing that you want to do is to take your water bottle and put some tape around it so you can mark off where it needs to be cut. And this is definitely a part where your little one, your kid, I would say this is great for kids who may be 5 and older to be involved in it, and just taping off where we're going to do our cut. And it doesn't necessarily have to be straight, because you can even out your water bottle with your scissors afterwards. Very simple. So now the next thing we want to do before we do any cutting, we're going to put some cat ears, because this plant holder is going to be in the shape of a kitten. So I'm just going to draw a triangle here, and about 1.5 inches to 2 inches away, I'm going to draw a triangle for my other bunny ears. Now what we want to do is to start cutting. I've already marked this water bottle to give me an easy cut, but a parent or a guardian could use an X-Acto knife to start the cut, and your child then can continue the process in cutting it, because it's fairly easy. So we're going around, and once I get around to the ear, here you don't have to be neat. Just go to the top. Now I'm going to be a lot more exact and cut my my kitten ears out. Now our next thing to do is to remove the tape that is remaining. And now we're going to do some spray paint. Now I would definitely do the painting of the kitten in an area that is well ventilated, and it doesn't take a lot of spraying. Now after this is done, my friend is already painted. You want to let it dry. Depending on the type of spray paint that you have, it may take a little bit longer, a little quicker, but just let it dry and set it to the side. Now, I have one that I've already done here for you, and so it is dry. And now the next thing to do is to draw on my kitten. And here we have it, our cute little kitten plant holder. And the last thing that you need to do is place your plant inside of it. Isn't that adorable? Okay, I hope you had a blast with this activity. I sure did, and I cannot wait to put my pot right in the perfect spot in my kitchen window. Have a great day. I hope to see you here at Children's Museum Houston. Don't forget to continue to follow us for all the great videos that we do on All Time Access. I'll see you soon.